More food scraps, leftover veggies. Even the babies are getting in on it. Pasta salad, lavenders are loving it. What else we got? What do we got for everybody else? Let's go see. They see me coming. They're excited. What's up, bud? What do you think I got for you, huh? Let's see. What's this? Overripe avocado, apple core, cowboy caviar. There you go, ladies. There you go, Ivan. Oh, poor girl. Man, you are molten big time. Sorry, I hit the fence. I know I scared you. Enjoy it, ladies. Hey, little girl, feel better.